Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the newest avatar frame from World Championship event. So for example, as you can see, this is my avatar banner. You can see my avatar frame is the red one, is dynamic or 3D, not a static like a regular avatar frame. I will show you my avatar frame first. Click the banner, your avatar banner. Click the basic. As you can see, this is my avatar frame. For example, this is the ordinary avatar frame. It's a static, that doesn't move or animated. And this is my newest avatar frame from the World Championship event. The articulated aggression avatar, so frame with articulated aggression design. So you can get it by only register the world championship event. So first, close all. You can click the events banner and then feature. Click the roll to world championship event by clicking in here. As you can see, I'm in Indonesia. So this is a Call of Duty World Championship 2023. You can get the avatar and then the other rewards like M13 Sonic Waves and also calling card. So what you have to do is only registration. By doing registration, you can get many rewards. One of it, the avatar frame. So thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.